All right, guys, I'm afraid of spiders. This thing came out of nowhere. Look at this.
Oh, that spider. Oh, I see them all the time.
No, that thing is scared to. It was underneath the pressure washer.
Yeah.
Let me know, guys. Like, spiders, if you have a fear like that, like me, let me know in the comments. Here we go again. This is second time in 2 weeks. Back to another Cars and Coffee. Car had to clean it this morning. Had a huge spider. Man, that was scary to come out underneath the pressure washer. But anyway, I got the car clean. Heading out there now. I'm meeting a buddy of mine with a Cadillac CTS V Sport, I believe. But yeah, Lexi couldn't make it this time. Unfortunately, she had to work. So maybe, I mean, I really wanted her to come this time, but you know, just the way that everything played out. No cement truck, but everyone is driving slow. This guy's 137 and 40. Look at that. I really like the new style. Can't wait to see what the Type R looks like. They've grown quite a bit. But let's see how it looks from the side profile. Let's go inside. Look at that. Can you believe it? That's a Civic, guys. Da, da, da. I see a G80. This thing has to be up through here. I don't know if you guys can see him back there. He is coming up pretty quickly. Two-headers never in the play. As always, California. That was fun. Wish there was a way to tell him, hey man, I'm going to the Cars and Coffee, the dealership, but there's no way. He kept going, I exit off, so we'll see, guys. Rolling up there now. It was fun. I mean, we couldn't really get a chance to play, but I punched it a couple times and he did the same thing, and you know, just kind of showing off, hey, we're both car guys, like the little power. Okay, rolling up now. This thing is huge already. All the cars here. Wow, this is the biggest Cars and Coffee I've ever been to. All right, guys, we're here. We're at BMW of Fairfield, and it's a pretty good turnout. I was amazed of all the cars here. I almost had to find a parking spot. I was trying to decide if I should bring the M3 or the X5M. I mean, I guess, you know, first world problems, right? But I brought the M3 out. As of right now, I'm the only one in this color, but I'm not the only M3, M4 out here. I met a subscriber here on my channel.
Okay.
And he brought 335.
Oh, okay.
Here's the IS or just the I?
No, it's just a 335i.
I?
It's got the tranny tune, engine tune,
Okay.
intercooler. I had to take the downpipes off just to get it to small because I'm gonna sell it.
Why now?
No. Nah, not that. I know what he has in his. I know what he has. I don't know, man. I don't know.
So rear-wheel drive, so it's not all-wheel.
It's just rear, yeah.
Okay, so
You gotta check
Does
the
it,
guy, man.
does it hook? Does it hook like through third or?
With these new tires on it,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh.
With these new tires on it, it hooks good.
all right, guys.
I know. I still got $100 on you.
All right, sorry. All right, so we got some videos to make here. C8 versus M3.
Ooh.
Then we got CTS V Sport versus M3. Now your car's soon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be interesting. Videos to come. A few subscribers here. This is
Nice.
Nice.
Yep.
I'm gonna put his channel in the
Your boy
description.
Nige on everything.
Your boy Nice. Okay.
Yep.
All right, and he said M3 Silver on
Mr. Silver.
Mr. Silver.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Silver on Instagram. All right. Appreciate it. All support, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. Isn't that crazy? And it'll tow just like.
All right, so this is Mr. Silver's X5. Is a 35D. It's a diesel. It's first diesel that I've seen up close like this. So it's just I think this is a mocha interior with the fine line wood trim.
The reason why we're having the X6, X5 battle is because
Oh, another third row.
useful. Then the X6 is a giant car.
Yeah.
Which is pretty badass. But we go to that's the vehicle we tow the boat with and go to the lake in.
Yeah.
And the bumper sticks out. Like if we can put an ice chest here and slide.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah, so it has a scratch on it from yeah, so I mean without it it's not
I appreciate the education on the, because I'm in the market for an X5. You were talking about the trim and like the X line or something like that. Yeah. So I'm looking like I want those big vents in front.
Yeah. It's quiet.
Okay, I'm done. Go now.
Some of them are there. You have every. Yeah. Some
Cool.
of
You
them
guys
have.
I don't know if it's unlocked or not.
Okay.
Most of them are the 2-liter.
Nice C8. I like the red. I definitely love the red. The contrast stitching in here.
See, this is every.
Chevrolet has really, I mean, every time I see the interior, they really have stepped up their interior game for the Corvette. You know, I mean, this is really upscale. I really like it. And it's convertible.
You know where Sonic is in back? That's the whole. Yes. Across the street from that, there's an exhaust.
That thing's new. Still has the plastic on it. Even got the red USB cord to match. X7, 750i. It's really low. I wonder if that's just the setting that you have, like the Range Rovers, but back is really low. Front is too. Maybe it's a setting.
It's just releases and misses, controls it. That's a little deep, yeah. So our X6 has a the whole back is a lid. You put stuff under it.
You say, does this like fold down?
Yeah, but there's seats there, so you don't have the room.
Right.
So imagine that. The whole
But
back.
the whole back seat for watching.
Let's try the third row here.
Oh yeah, they're beautiful.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I don't know what it's gonna do.
Oh, you're okay. I'm just trapped.
I don't know. Hopefully, does it like fold you in half?
I hope not.
Okay, stop blinking. You're good.
Okay, let's.
Oh, was it trying to fool me? Wait, here, I'll jump out real quick. So overall, guys, great turnout. Got to see a lot of people, got to meet a lot of subscribers. So once again, guys, I really appreciate everyone's support. It really means a lot when I especially meet you guys and you're like, and tell me what you enjoy, what I do, and you know, appreciate the content that I produce. And you know, the main thing is just trying to help everybody out. And I think now I'm kind of shifting more towards a vlog style, just to, you know, kind of look more personal, you know, as opposed to just very, very, very this AB, you know, as far as their videos. But I appreciate it. I wish Lexi could have made it, but then again, it was a BMW pretty much primary meet, and her bringing an AMG out there, I don't know, they probably would have kicked her out. But guys, appreciate it, and if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. You know, it helps me. That's the best way. Show your support and help the channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching.